The mission was simple in words and heavy in meaning. Deliver judgment to Lord Akechi, the architect of...
Katsuro, the clan's future rests with you now. Do not fail.
Honor survives only through action.
Imagine creating professional AI movies in minutes like this, complete with realistic visuals, AI-generated voiceovers, custom characters, background music, and cinematic effects, all automated from start to finish. What used to take teams of people weeks or months can now be done by anyone with the right AI tools. You can generate full scripts, create lifelike digital actors, add dialogue and lip sync, apply camera movements, and even translate your content into multiple languages. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create long-form AI movies using one AI movie generator. No expensive equipment, no film crew, no acting experience required. Let's get started. For this tutorial, we'll be working with a single AI platform that handles everything you need for movie creation. ClipFly AI is particularly powerful because it's an all-in-one solution. You can generate images, create videos, produce background music, and edit your final project without jumping between different applications. Start by creating your account for free through the link in the description. You can sign up quickly using your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you'll find all the creative tools at your disposal. The platform offers image generation, video creation, music production, and even trending templates for viral content. But we're here to make movies, so navigate to the AI Movies section in the left sidebar. This is where the magic happens. Inside the AI Movies workspace, you'll notice 3 different starting points. You can begin your project with a written script, launch from a single image, or build everything from scratch using a blank storyboard. Each approach has its advantages, depending on how much creative control you want and what materials you already have. In this tutorial, I'm walking you through the complete process of building a cinematic movie from nothing but a written script. Click the button to start a new project. You'll see a text input field where your entire script or story needs to go. Now, instead of writing from scratch, I use ChatGPT to generate story ideas and scripts. To get the best possible results, I created a custom prompt that you can grab for free from our Telegram channel. Take that prompt, drop it into ChatGPT's text box, and replace the placeholder section with your own story concept or title. Hit generate, and ChatGPT will craft a complete narrative based on what you provided. Once it's finished, copy the entire script and bring it back to the AI platform. Next, you'll choose how many segments to break your script into. The more the segment, the longer the video. I went with 16 to 20 sections for my project and clicked Generate. You can also use the AI Optimize button to enhance your story. What this does is take your full narrative and split it into 16 bite-sized pieces. This makes the image creation process far more manageable. You can always adjust this number higher if you want more detailed scenes with shorter text blocks. Click Next, and you will be given an option of creating your characters for consistency. This particular step is optional, so I will just skip it. On the following page, you'll find options for generating both images and videos. Let's tackle images first. Navigate to your opening scene and click on the Frame option. Select Text to Frame, and the platform will automatically populate a basic prompt in the text field. Choose how many images you want, pick your preferred visual style, and click Generate. It's straightforward, and the results come quickly. You can repeat this for every scene in your project. The output already looks impressive with realistic details and consistent character appearances across frames. But if you're after premium quality, you need to move beyond these basic prompts. You can enhance the prompts with ChatGPT. Now let's bring that image to life. Click Create Video and select your video model. You'll see several options including Google VEO3, which I'll use for this example. Choose how many videos to generate and whether you want audio included. Select the video quality mode to ensure crisp results. With the animation prompt already added by ClipFly AI, click Generate Video, and within minutes, you'll have your animated scene. The movement looks fluid and natural, and the sound effects complement the action beautifully. Apply this same sequence to your second scene. Continue this pattern for every remaining scene until your entire story is animated. Once all scenes are complete, you can export the full video. If you want the final product as is, use the first export option. But if you need more control, choose Export to Advanced Editor. The advanced editor functions like CapCut, letting you fine-tune timing, add transitions, adjust audio levels, and refine other details. Our first editing task is adding narration to the story. The platform includes a text-to-speech feature for this. Click on it and browse the available narrator voices. Pick one that fits your story's tone. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first portion of your script. Keep it under 1,000 characters to stay within the tool's limit. Paste this text into the speech generator and click Create. In seconds, you'll have narration for that section. Repeat this process for each remaining part of your script until you have complete voiceover coverage for the entire story. With your animations and narration ready, move to Final Polish. Add transitions between scenes, apply visual effects or filters, and insert text or captions where needed. For captions, simply click the Generate button. They'll appear instantly, and you can customize the font, size, color, and position using the right side panel to match your video's aesthetic. Once everything is perfected, export in 2K or 4K quality. When you watch the finished product, you'll see professional quality video with natural character movement and perfectly synchronized audio. These techniques work for any type of narrative content you want to create. But cinematic storytelling isn't the only use case for this platform. You can also produce music videos or viral social media content. Check out the templates library, where you'll find trending formats that are currently popular across platforms. Using a template is simple. Click the one you like, upload your character image, and hit Generate. Within minutes, you'll have a social-ready video. I've tested several templates, and the results consistently look polished and engaging. There are dozens more to experiment with. The ClipFly's annual plan is remarkably affordable, at around $50 for 12 months of access to all premium features. It's an investment worth considering. I strongly encourage trying this tool through the link in the description. If you run into questions or want feedback on your projects, join our Telegram community. You'll connect with me and other creators, get support, and find all the AI tools and exact prompts from this tutorial ready to use. If this guide was helpful, please like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you catch every new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
The mission was simple in words and heavy in meaning. Deliver judgment to Lord Akechi, the architect of...
Katsuro, the clan's future rests with you now. Do not fail us.
Honor survives only through action.
Katsuro still walks the path of obedience. After Masanori abandoned the old ways. Masanori preserved honor when Akechi sought loyalty for power. Peace bought through compromise. A future's built on surrender.
Katsuro turned toward the distant village where Hana waited. a daughter who deserved a world cleansed of unfinished wounds. The road ahead felt lighter, yet final. This mission was never about death.